What's up, y'all? First of all, I'm only going, what's this, 30 miles per hour? And this car stalled in front of me. Like, are you serious? First of all, look at this storm. Wait a minute. Yo, they talking about it's about to be a wireless effect, like you can't see anything. I'm so glad I'm almost home. Oh my goodness, it's dangerous out here. I gotta go. Russ Barnes just told me that. He just told me that. And I trust him because he would know. I thought I was the only car out here, but look, there's more people out here. There's a car in front of me. So I ain't the only crazy person out here. Trying to get this money, you hear me? Yo! Yeah, that's dead. I ain't going to work after this. I'm going to go ahead and chill and do something with this head. Y'all see this head, man? I'm like, I have mess. Oh my God. Okay, but no, don't tell nobody that. But anyway, here's my advice. If you're driving, drive slow, pay attention. Don't be doing like a video or nothing because you might get in an accident. Just be careful out here, y'all. It's dangerous in D.C., Maryland, and Virginia, y'all. It's crazy, man. Y'all need to take cover. We going in. And I'm out.